Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Studio Loombicious. My name is Nancy, and as you might have seen in my Facebook and Instagram post, Rainbow Loom sent me a package. Well, today I want to show you what is inside that package, and we're going to start with this amazing bracelet craft kit, which will make an ideal gift for Christmas or a birthday. And to get to know what Rainbow Loom is and start working with this. It's a really clever kit. In my opinion, the layout is very beautiful. You can even write your name here. It's nice and sturdy, so you can keep this good for a long period of time. You can easily open and close it again. And well, there are some really amazing things inside, so I will show you that in a second. Of course, I already created some bracelets myself I wear around my wrists. And let's see what's inside, guys and girls. This is amazing, an amazing set, which make a really nice present. Let's open it, yay! What's inside of there? This is really something that's really clever. These are instruction cards on how to craft bracelets from easy to advanced. And if you follow these step by step, you can't really do anything wrong. It's so clear how to create a bracelet this way. This is amazing to start working with the loom and the bands and get to know the material you are working with. There are many cards here, as you can see. I won't show them all, of course, but you can follow them step by step to create your own bracelets. I did the first 4. So you start with a very simple bracelet until it gets a bit more advanced. So, and this for me, yeah, this was fun to use the loom like this and create bracelets like this, because I never had done that before. So this is really amazing. Those cards are, well, so clear, you can't mess anything up. You will just create a bracelet. So let's see what's inside further. So I put the cards somewhere else, on my laptop, I guess. Yes. What's this? This is a, well, actually a display bracelet rack for your creative bracelets. I will take one off my wrist. You can put these around here, which is really clever and amazing. So you can store your crafted bracelets on there, and there will fit many. As you can see, there are 2 around now, but they will fit, well, I don't know, it depends on how wide you loom them. But this is really something that's also quite amazing. So you can store your created bracelets on there. Of course, there is the loom that fits in perfectly here. And you need the loom, of course, to create your bracelets. There are some bands in here, but you are free to put in different bands, as you can see. And there is the mini loom, this one. You can also create bracelets on here. Of course, there is a hook and some C-clips you need to create your bracelets with. So you have every basic material needed in this kit to start having fun with the Rainbow Loom and create your bracelets that way. Some other thing that was in the package is round bands. To be honest, I recommend using round bands for bracelets. Why? Well, it just looks a little bit better, in my opinion, than the flat bands. There are 300 bands in one bag, and they come in so many wonderful colors with a little bit of glitter, so it's, yeah, it just has a little sparkle to it and amazing coloring to create bracelets with. So I kind of do recommend these bands. I have many colors now. You don't need that many bands also to create a bracelet. So yes, this is amazing to create a bracelet. I think I have too many colors to show you guys everything. I'm sorry for the noise, but those bags just make a little bit of noise grabbing them. And these are all the colors I have now. And you can create amazing bracelets with them. As you can see here, it just looks so awesome. And feels also good on your skin. These are latex-free bands, so you can wear them, I believe, yes, all are latex-free. So this is really something I would recommend for creating bracelets. It feels, they have a soft feel to them. I can't really explain how that feels, you would have to feel for yourself, but it's nice and soft and feels really comfortable around your wrist. You hardly won't even notice it's on your wrist. So that's for the kit and the round bands. I will also make a small video, I guess, about me crafting a bracelet, which could be quite fun. I normally don't craft these, but now I have this, I would like to craft them. So I need to put in the parts. But this is an amazing gift set. You obviously can buy at rainbowloom.com. And yeah, it would really make a nice present for children. I would give it to mine. So, yes. What was in the package more? Well, so many bands, I won't show everything. They sent me a lot of regular bands, but also something slightly different. Yes, these bands. These are also latex free. And they are in one color, this is grey, but they look a little bit like jelly. But not entirely. This is also something I haven't used before. Also these one. These are also latex free bands. And they look a little bit jelly. They also have a little bit of jelly touch to them, but not quite. It's kind of hard to explain. And I will grab my mouse pencil topper in a second so I can show you how these grey bands look. This is really nice. I like to loom with these bands. So I also recommend these bands. And they sent me a couple of packages so I can continue looming for many more months. So that will keep me going. I will grab my mouse pencil topper now. If I can find it. Yes. I keep all my pencil toppers inside a candy box. Until they won't fit anymore, but for now I have room to put it in here, so there we go. These are all my, yes, this is the mouse I created. I will remove everything a tiny bit, so you can actually see how it looks a little bit better, I guess. This is the mouse pencil topper. I'm not sure if you can see, but can you see a tiny bit of gloss around these bands? really has a nice feel to them also. So I will be recording this beautiful pencil topper also soon. There we have this one, and I haven't used any of the other bands yet. Yeah, I could show you every package Rainbow Loom sent me, but I won't. It's just too many. I can show you the box if you like. If you would like to see, I can show you the box, of course. This is the box they sent me. So a lot of bands in there that can keep me going for quite some time. Very nice bands here. That can be used for bracelets also, and I need to sort some bands out here. So I can use the pink for my animals, and well, I really needed some brown bands, so I'm very glad they sent me those brown bands. Thank you so much, Rainbow Loom. This will keep me going for quite some time. And I might even pick up larger projects, but for now I will only do small projects. So I can combine that with my own family life here. So this is the box they sent me. Well, I'm very grateful they did. And well, guys, I hope you like this tiny unboxing video. And let me know in the comments below the video if you liked it and if you have a clear understanding about this kit, and maybe buy it yourself or ask your parents to buy it for you as a gift. Yes, I certainly would know a couple of kids that would really love to receive this gift and be creative themselves with it. So guys, I just hope you like this video. Thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. And well, be creative, guys.